biology or chemistry. Year-wise details. 1992, the Earth Summit, Rio de Janeiro. 1997, first transgenic cow Rosie. It produces human protein-enriched milk 2.4 grams per liter. The milk contained the human alpha-lactalbumin. 1997, an American company got patent rights on basmati rice. 1997, Kyoto Protocol, held in Kyoto, Japan. 2002, World Summit, held in Johannesburg, South Africa. 2002, all buses of Delhi were converted by CNG. 2005, Nobel Prize of Chemistry given to green chemists Chauvin, Grubbs or Scrock. 1770, Joseph Priestley essential role of air in growth of green plant. 1774, Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen. 1831, Robert Brown first discovered and described nucleus. 1838, Schleiden, German botanist, work on plants. 1839, Schwann, British zoologist, work on both plants or animals. 1855, Rudolf Virchow omnis cellula acellular, cells arises from pre-existing cells. Life originate from pre-existing life, Pasteur, yeast. Life originate from non-living decaying or rotting matter, spontaneous generation. Life originate from pre-existing non-living organic molecules RNA, protein, Oparin, Russia, or Haldane, England, chemical evolution. 1856 to 1863, Mendel experiment on garden pea, 7 years. 1860, Julius von Sachs developed hydroponics. 1865, Mendel published his work. 1866, Langdon Down syndrome. 1869, Friedrich Miescher first identified DNA and named it nuclei. 1891, Henking discovered X-body. 1891, fossil discovered in Java Homo erectus. 1892, Ivanovsky discovered virus. 1898, Beecherinic contagium vivum fluidum infectious living fluid. 1898, Camillo Golgi discovered observed Gb. 1900, De Vries, Correns and von Schirmack independently rediscovered Mendel's results. 1902, chromosome movement during meiosis has been worked out. 1905, Law of limiting factor Blackman. 1928, Frederick Griffith transforming experiment with Streptococcus pneumoniae Diplococcus. 1935, Stanley crystallized viruses. 1937, Ramdev Misra obtained PhD in ecology from Leeds University, UK. 1938, Koalo canfish caught in South Africa, Fleming, Jane or Florey awarded Nobel Prize. 1950, Watson obtained PhD on a study of the effect of hard X-rays on bacteriophage multiplication. 1951, family planning program started in India. 1952, Hershey or Chase experiment on bacteriophage or bacterial virus gives unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material. 1953, Miller experiment methane, ammonia, hydrogen or water vapor. 1953, Watson or Crick double helical structure of bDNA or replication scheme. 1953, Palade, discovered ribosome. 1954, Ramchandran triple helical model of collagen, published in Nature. 1954, Crick completed PhD on a thesis, X-rays diffraction, polypeptides and proteins. 1958, Meselson or Stahl work on pound coli proves semi-conservative replication of DNA in prokaryotes. 1958, Taylor work on Vishwafaba proves semi-conservative replication of DNA in eukaryotes. 1960, Catherine Eso published Anatomy of Seed Plants. 1961, Melvin Calvin Nobel Prize. 1962, Watson, Crick and Wilkins Nobel Prize. 1963, wheat varieties Sonalika or Kalyan Sona introduced. 1963 to enzyme responsible for restricting growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. 1966, derivative of R8 or Taichung native I introduced. 1969, Whittaker 5 Kingdom classification. 1971, GOT of India legalized MTP. 1971, Dana discovered viroid-free RNA without capsid. 1972 Singer or Nicholson fluid mosaic model. 1972 Stanley Cohen or Herbert Boyer formed first recombinant DNA. 1972 Establishment of NCEPC National Committee for Environmental Planning or Coordination. 1974 Water Act. 1980 Joint Forest Management, JFM. 1981 AIDS was first reported. 1981 Air Act. Sent at edited 12